called back before he bites, but you can't call him back until he's near the area of the A-frame. So it's a call off. When he gets back here, you have to keep him under control. A decoy will hand you a leash. You have to put the leash on the dog and hand it to the decoy, and he has to be able to heel the dog away. Okay? Go ahead, Pat. You're all right.
They had the aflatoxin, but they're still not as bad as Nature's Recipe. Nature's Recipe. The last one.